for Islamic video. Assalamualaikum, friends, sister, and brother, and all my Muslim community. I am a new Muslim and I accept Islam 1 year ago. I learned Namaz and Quran. I want to recite Quran. Please pray for me and subscribe my channel and bell. Definition of Alhamdulillah. Here are all the possible meaning and translation of the word Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, holy praise, in Arabic meaning praise be to God. It is frequently used by Muslims of every background due to its centrality to the text of the Quran and Hadith, the word of the Islamic Prophet Muhammad. A Muslim will say Alhamdulillah when she sneezes, similar to the praise bless you. Alhamdulillah is always said before reciting a surah or chapter of the Holy Quran. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.